What's going on, guys? Marky Williams YouTube channel online certification course here. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below as to what you want to get certified in. I can send you links personally to check out. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any trending certification courses you want to pick up. So let's get into this. Professionals seeking transition to cybersecurity domains from any background, cybersecurity professionals looking to enhance their skill set, entrepreneurs who want to learn cybersecurity to safeguard their ventures. With all that is going on and everyone is working remotely, the scammers and hackers are on the loose. Working from our own personal laptops and computers from home doesn't provide the top-notch protection, and the IT department are going crazy to stay on top of this growing trend of security breaches. Keep in mind, small businesses are searching for people who are certified in this field of work but can't fully afford as a full-time employee but are willing to pay for a service, meaning you could freelance your skills to multiple small businesses as a full or part-time job. This course will cover some of the following: cybersecurity tools in Kali Linux, system security and protection, basic of networking, network security, and doubt clearing sessions. You will learn how to properly do penetration testing, understand ethical hacking and application security. During the course, you will practice your skills in a customer cyber lab web application. Get the opportunity to connect with, engage, and learn from industry leaders and veterans. You will also get introduction to digital forensic, data recovery and OS forensic, email crimes and violations. After completing this course, Placement Assistant will help you into the recruitment process of the industry's biggest organization, many of whom are program partners. To everyone that is planning to start a home-based business out of this, I will also leave some links down below in regards of how to start a home-based business. Many thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial. You can also find me on Facebook, Marky Williams, where I also have a page, online certification course, where you can like and follow as well. Many thanks, Marky Williams, and I'm out.